How to set timer in YouTube Kids. Hello everybody, welcome back. If you're wondering how you can do that, you may follow up this step. So open up the YouTube Kids application first, and once you will be finding this home interface, you can locate up the settings icon at the top right corner. Just go ahead and tap on it, and you may answer this question right here and continue with the process. After that, the settings opens up. So once you open it up here, you should be finding your profile, downloads, and right under the section, you should be finding a set timer option as well. So look out for this option, tap on it. And once you set up a timer, you can set up a timer like a time limit for how much time would you like this application to be open. So just go ahead and do that. For example, if you only want 42 minutes for this application to open it up, tap on start timer and then the timer will start. So when your kid is accessing this application, it will be open for 42 minutes if you've set the timer to that, and it will be closed automatically after that. So that is it. You may also follow the same process in order to do so. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and we will see you in another video.